Hey everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Ferrari SF90 Stradale, one of the most breathtaking and technologically advanced supercars ever created by Ferrari. The SF90 Stradale represents a monumental leap forward in performance, design, and innovation, a true blend of raw combustion power and cutting-edge hybrid technology that showcases Ferrari's vision for the future of supercars. From its name to its engineering, everything about the SF90 Stradale is designed to thrill and impress. SF90 stands for Scuderia Ferrari 90, celebrating 90 years of Ferrari's racing heritage, while Stradale means road in Italian, representing the perfect fusion of track-bred DNA and road-going refinement. The 2026 SF90 Stradale carries Ferrari's plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 1 at the rear, producing an astonishing 986 horsepower, 1000 CV and 590 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain allows the SF90 to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds and reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest Ferraris ever built. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-quick gear changes, while the hybrid system intelligently distributes power between the internal combustion engine and electric motors for optimal traction and performance. The car can even drive up to 16 miles purely on electric power in e-drive mode, making it both thrilling and efficient, a first for a Ferrari hypercar. The design of the SF90 Stradale is an aerodynamic masterpiece. Every curve, vent, and line serves a purpose. The aggressive front splitter channels air efficiently, while the rear features Ferrari's signature shut-off gurney, an active aerodynamic system that automatically adjusts to increase downforce or reduce drag depending on driving conditions. The sculpted hood, sleek LED headlights, and floating fenders give it an unmistakable Ferrari presence, elegant, fierce, and futuristic. The low, wide stance enhances stability and makes the SF90 look like it's in motion even when standing still. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's pure Ferrari, minimalist yet luxurious, focused entirely on the driver. The steering wheel integrates almost all essential controls, following Ferrari's hands on the wheel, eyes on the road philosophy. A 16-inch curved digital instrument cluster, augmented reality navigation, and voice-controlled systems make the interior feel like a race car from the future. Every detail, from the Alcantara upholstery to the carbon fiber accents and metal paddle shifters, speaks of craftsmanship and performance. The seating position is low and aggressive, immersing the driver in a true supercar experience. Ferrari has also fine-tuned the 2026 Model S chassis and electronics for even sharper handling. The ESSC electronic side slip control, torque vectoring, and RACE system cornering electric assist ensure precise cornering control and stability at extreme speeds. The new Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer Plus works with adaptive dampers and traction management to make every curve feel perfectly balanced. Whether on a racetrack or winding mountain road, the SF90 Stradale delivers confidence and thrill in equal measure. The hybrid system isn't just about efficiency, it's about maximizing performance. The electric motors deliver instant torque and all-wheel drive capability, giving the SF90 incredible launch power and traction in any condition. With multiple driving modes, e-drive, hybrid, performance, and qualified drivers can customize the car's behavior, from silent electric cruising to full-blown track performance.